Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best rolling stool is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for anyone who spends a significant amount of time on their feet, whether you're a mechanic working in a tight space, a salon professional attending to clients, a crafter engrossed in a detail project, or even a home cook needing a convenient perch in the kitchen. Its ability to provide comfortable, mobile seating can dramatically reduce fatigue and increase efficiency, making it a worthwhile investment for a multitude of tasks that require both mobility and support. Number 5. KKTONER FURWOO Leather Rolling Stool. Experience ultimate comfort with our 14-inch thick seat cushion, providing ample space for a relaxed seating experience. Effortlessly adjust the height to your perfect level for any task. Glide around your workspace with ease thanks to the 360-degree swivel and smooth rolling casters. This stool is built to last, supporting up to 250 pounds with its sturdy metal construction. Crafted from high-quality FURWOO leather, this stool is both water and oil-proof, making it incredibly easy to clean and maintain. Its durable design ensures long-lasting use. Get set up in minutes. This stool is designed for quick and easy assembly, taking approximately 5 minutes to put together. No complicated instructions, just simple convenience. From salons and spas to offices and homes, this stylish stool is the perfect addition to any environment. Its sleek design complements various settings, making it a truly versatile piece. Before you begin assembly, remember to remove the black cap from the hydraulic pump. This simple step ensures proper installation and function. What we like? This stool offers a plush seating experience with its 14-inch thick cushion. It also features a convenient footrest for added comfort during long tasks. If you prioritize comfort and ease of use, especially for extended periods, this is a great choice. Its quick assembly means you can start using it right away. What people say? The stool is very sturdy and comfortable to sit on for extended periods. The adjustable height feature is fantastic and works smoothly, allowing for easy customization. Assembly was a breeze, taking only a few minutes to put together. Number 4. Primy Tall Drafting Chair with Flip-Up Armrests. This tall drafting chair offers adjustable height and flip-up armrests, perfect for standing desks, sitting desks, and bars. The included foot ring enhances comfort by reducing leg pressure. Experience superior comfort with its curved backrest and adjustable lumbar support, designed to fit your body and alleviate back pain during long work hours. Stay cool and comfortable with the breathable mesh back and a thick, high-density sponge cushion. It provides ample softness and elasticity for extended sitting. Easily move around your workspace with 360-degree swivel and smooth rolling casters. The 5-claw base ensures stability and quiet movement. We are confident you'll love this ergonomic chair. It comes with a 1-year warranty, and our customer service is here to assist you with any questions. What we like? This chair is designed for ultimate ergonomic support with flip-up armrests and adjustable lumbar support. The breathable mesh back ensures comfort even during long work sessions. If you're looking for a chair that can adapt to different desk heights and provides excellent back support for prolonged sitting, this is the one for you. What people say? The stool is very sturdy and comfortable to sit on for extended periods. Adjusting the height is simple and smooth, allowing for easy customization. The wheels roll smoothly on various surfaces, making it easy to move around. Number 3. KKTONER Adjustable Rolling Stool Chair. Experience ultimate comfort with a 3.9-inch thick cushioned foam seat, offering firm support. The generous 13.8-inch diameter ensures ample seating space for extended use. Easily adjust the height between 20 to 26 inches with the smooth hydraulic gas lift. A simple pull of the lever is all it takes to find your perfect position. Enjoy complete freedom of movement with the 360-degree swivel seat. Effortlessly turn and reach without straining. Get set up in no time. This stool can be fully assembled in just 5 minutes, so you can start using it right away. With its stylish and modern design, it's the perfect addition to any setting. Use it in bars, offices, coffee shops, or even at home. The seat cushion is crafted from high-quality FURWOO leather, providing a sleek look and easy maintenance. It's built to last and withstand daily use. What we like? Experience superior comfort with its extra thick, 3.9-inch cushioned seat, offering firm support for up to 300 pounds. This stool boasts a modern, stylish design that fits well in various settings. If you need a robust stool that doesn't compromise on comfort and can handle heavier use, this is an excellent option. What people say. The stool is adjustable and can be easily raised or lowered to the desired height. It rolls smoothly on the floor, making it easy to move around. The stool is sturdy and can support a good amount of weight. Number 2. HMTOT Round Rolling Stool. Experience ultimate comfort with our softer seat and 360-degree rotation. It's designed to bring you greater ease and relaxation. Easily adjust the height from 19.6 to 26 inches. This ensures it meets the needs of people of varying heights. Crafted with PU leather, it's simple to wipe clean. It's suitable for various settings, including your office, home, spa, or salon. Equipped with 5 wheels, it glides smoothly across all floor types. Move around with ease wherever you are. This chair supports up to 250 pounds and is easy to assemble. You'll be ready to use it in no time. What we like. This stool provides a softer seating experience and is incredibly easy to clean thanks to its PU leather material. Its 5 wheels ensure smooth movement across any surface. If you work in a field where frequent cleaning is necessary or you simply want a comfortable, mobile seating solution, this stool is ideal. What people say. The stool is sturdy and well-made, with a comfortable seat that can be adjusted to various heights. It rolls smoothly on different surfaces, making it easy to move around the workspace. The adjustable height feature is very convenient, allowing for personalized comfort and ergonomics. Number 1. FURWOO Hexagon Rolling Stool. Introducing the FURWOO Hexagon Rolling Stool, designed for your comfort and convenience. Its adjustable height and smooth rolling wheels make it perfect for various professional settings. Easily adjust the seat height to your preferred level, ranging from 17.9 to 24 inches. The generously sized cushion provides ample support for extended use. Featuring a new compact base, this stool is designed to be space-saving without compromising on durability. It fits perfectly even in smaller workspaces. Ideal for spa, salon, or massage settings, it offers 360-degree swivel and a waterproof surface for easy cleaning. This versatile stool enhances your workflow. Get set up in minutes. This stool is designed for easy installation, allowing one person to assemble it in approximately 10 minutes. Built to last, it can support up to 300 pounds, ensuring stability and reliability. Enjoy a sturdy and dependable seating solution. What we like. This stool features a unique compact base, making it incredibly space-saving and durable. The waterproof material ensures easy maintenance. If you're working in a confined space or need a stool that is both functional and easy to keep clean, this is a perfect fit for your needs. What people say. The stool is very sturdy and well-made, with a comfortable seat that can be adjusted to various heights. It rolls smoothly on most surfaces, making it easy to move around my workspace. The adjustable height feature is fantastic, allowing me to find the perfect position for different tasks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.